my channel. Yes, I've been slacking at this lately, but I recently got a new computer and I got a bunch of stuff to go with it, so now I'm trying to figure out how things to do it. So as you guys see, I am learning things differently as I go, but here I am here to share with you guys the inserts that we are getting this Sunday. We are getting 3 inserts, 2 RetailMeNots, one of them is a Unilever, and then 1 Smart Source. So I'm just going to go with you guys the inserts that we are getting. So here we're getting an Advil. I really like that we're getting Advil kids coupons. I haven't seen that. I usually notice that we get them usually around the winter time because everybody's starting to get sick. I'm slowly dwindling to what I have, but I'm excited to get some kids Advil coupons. Hopefully, it's a hit or miss with my area. I sometimes get them, I sometimes don't. But we're getting a lot of $2 off coupons for Advil. Breathe Right, $2 off. Now we're getting some eye products, $3 off, and then a 6 off a twin pack. Some of these I do not know how to pronounce, like this one, but it's a $10 off coupon. Compeed, I think that's a foot coupon, so $5 and $4. Fancy Feast, we have $2.50 off a 12 or a $2 off a 3-pound bag or larger. Listerine mouthwash, we got $1. Mederma, $7, $5. Nature's Truth, we have $1 or $2. Opti Free, Pink Vitamins, never really have heard of that. Polydent, $2 off. We're getting a coupons for Target if you guys buy certain spots. Robitussin Honey and Naturals. Now I'm hoping that maybe Savings Star does have these deals where we can get, match it with Savings Star and stuff. So just giving you guys a heads up that there might be some good deals. But we got $3 and $2 off for Robitussin. Plus, I know in the past they've had it where you get points too. So we'll see. Let's cross our fingers that we can get some good deals with that. Schwarzkopf, $3. Senecot, I don't even know how to pronounce that. I'm sorry, you guys. I don't buy the product, so I don't know. I don't have a Shaw's or anything in my area, so there's that. Polygrip, $1.50 or $2.50. Sistine Eye Lubricant, $3 or $6. Theraflu, $2, and Thermacare, $3. So there is one insert. Here is insert number 2, and it's the Unilever. Sometimes this is a hit or miss. I got September's Unilever, but I never got October's Unilever. I don't know, but you know what? I love the Unilever, especially when there's Ibotta deals, and we can also, use Fetch Rewards with this stuff too. So awesome. So here we got a Caress, $1 off. Dove. Now, please also watch out for coupons.com because a lot of these coupons sometimes pop up on coupons.com too. So just giving you a heads up. Dove Hair Care, $2 off. Dove Beauty Products, 75 cents. Polish, $1. We got body wash or foam, $3 off at 2. Hand wash, $1. It's finally starting to see coupons for hand wash. I think that stuff's finally coming back. My shelves have been empty for a while. 4 off of 2 for Dove Hair. We have Dove Men Body Wash. You buy one and you get a deodorant for free. Dove Men Care, Dove Axe Degree Men, $3 off of 2. Lever 2000, $1. Lipton Tea, 40 cents. Noxzema, $1. Pond's, $1.50. Simple, $2. St. Ives, $1. Suave Body Wash, $1. Suave Kids, $1.50. Usually there's a really good deal with Suave Kids for $1.50. Suave Lotion, $1. Men's Hair Care, $1.50. Suave Professionals, we have buy one, get one free. Suave Professionals Natural Hair, $2. Tresemme, 5 off of 2, awesome coupon. Vaseline, $2. So that is what is in the second inserts that we're getting for Unilever. And here is Smart Source, Aquaphor, $2, $1, $2. Aspercream, buy one, get one free. Blistex, I haven't seen a Blistex coupon for a while. I love chapstick, and they recently discontinued my Walgreens chapstick, so I guess I got to go back to Blistex. $1. Chobani, $1, $2. Clairton, $10, $4. Colgate mouthwash, we are getting $1.50. And also at Walgreens, the buy 2, get the third one free of mouthwash. Toothpaste, hair care, that's all going away this month. So, yes. Toothpaste, 50 cents. We got chicken broth, $1 off of 3, which is an okay deal. I'm going to make a lot of soups this winter, so I'm always loving to stock up on chicken broth. Then we have savory infusions, $1. CoverGirl, 2, 2, and 1. Last week we got 3, 3, and 2. So it's a hit or miss, but it's weird how we get one coupon one week and then a different coupon the next week. It's like, okay. Del Monte vegetables, 50 cents off of 4. Now you're going to see some deals with vegetables on sale because of Thanksgiving coming up, with Christmas coming up. So I'm definitely going to hopefully maybe stock up on some canned vegetables. I got to keep an eye out for that. Depend, we have $2 off. Effordent, Polygrip, Insure, $4 off of 2. We're getting Eucerin coupons, $1, $2 off, and $3 off. So hopefully we can get some good deals with that. Glade plug-in, 50 cents. We are getting Glade products, buy one, get one free, up to $5.50. So maybe we can get some candles. I'm hoping, maybe. Yes, yes, yes. Icy Hot product, buy one, get one free. Kleenex, $1 off of 4. We're going to stock up on Kleenexes coming up soon. Liquid Collagen, Midnight, Natural, Poise, $2 off. Quaker products, $1. Now this is sometimes a hit or miss. I rarely ever get this coupon, but I really like it. I like to get some of the Quaker products, especially for $1 off of 2. Sometimes at Kroger, you guys can get free oatmeal with these coupons. So yes, Super Pretzel Bites, $1.50 and $1. So those are the inserts that we are getting this Sunday, you guys. I'm pretty excited. Hopefully my area gets those. Otherwise, I have to go to a different area to get the other inserts. But if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later.